Hello and welcome another Detachable Systems video. Today we have something different, a Ford Transit Custom. This is the latest brand new Ford that has just been released. It's a refreshed model, completely updated from the previous one. And the reason we doing a Ford actually is because something very interesting happened. Ford and Volkswagen got together and decided to share this platform so that new Transporters T7 models that will be out in the next year will be looking very similarly to the Ford, and they're sharing the platform, so they're sharing a lot of components and so on together. So we've decided to get on with it because we'll be doing more and more of these. So we've decided to test everything, and we completed a Towbar upgrade on this car. This is detachable Towbar. So as you can see here already, we've got the tow hitch that is sticking out. This is detachable one. This is done by a brand called Tow Trust. So it's a detachable, which I show you operations. You put the key in to turn this little wheel here, and the whole mechanism comes out. You've got your electrics, which are here, so they can be hidden as well. So we can just slide them behind and you don't see anything, or you can just take them out and there you go. They just sit here. You'll be able to plug in your trailer or bike rack or whatever to it and then use it. Let me show you now the operation, how this works actually. So first of all, we can look at the Towbar, the tow hitch has like a green color here in this little eye. That means that it's all ready to go, that this tow hitch is ready to go, it's connected, it's locked into position. Now, in order to remove it, we've got this little blue flap here. I'm going to explain that, and my colleague here will demonstrate, because we can't do it with just one pair of hands recording and removing it at the same time. We've got a key coming in, and he needs to turn it. Then the whole thing, you need to push it in and then turn it, and then the whole thing comes out. And if actually you push the electrics away, then if you look at it, you can't see anything, you don't have any Towbar. So again, like this, you don't see it. And then the tow hitch is here. Again, it's a brand Tow Trust. That there was a logo somewhere I've saw before, which got it. So I'm just turning around this thing just to show you the mechanism. The key sits in here, and you can store it away, and well, you're not using it, and then we can put it back in. Just very simple procedure. This needs to be just pushed into the position. So there you go. It locks itself automatically and showing green color here again. That means it's ready to go. Then you need to just turn the key again, close the little blue flap, and it's ready to go. To pull the electrics down again, and you're ready to go. So that's how the mechanical operation works. We also show you how this integrates with the electrics in the car. Okay, so I've got the engine running. I've connected the testing board to the back of the electrics. So let's select the reverse gear now. This car has the reversing camera and sensors. So like in Volkswagen cars, it usually changes the graphics. It shows you that it's got the trailer connected, but this car doesn't do that. This system, it's called Sync 4, and the way it works, you can see the testing board is connected with the wires running into it. We can clearly see the tow hitch there as well, which is a nice feature. And the sensors, the rear ones are disabled, but you can see the front ones because I'm quite close to the end of the parking bay. It's picking up the front, but the rear is completely disabled, so it doesn't work. So that's how the system integrates fully with the Sync 4 screen and all the electrics in the car. So there you have it, brand new Ford Transit Custom, upgraded with the detachable Towbar, done by Detachable Systems. If you want more information or like to book your vehicle, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.